today we'll be making an adorable curly Valentine's Day deco mesh wreath. What you will need, I have a 14-inch wreath ring, this adorable little pink dinosaur for the center. I have mint, white, and pink deco mesh that coincide with my sign, Chanel stems, scissors and a rotary cutter, and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. So I have cut my mesh into 8-inch long pieces, and I have cut my stems into thirds. Now I'm just going to make all of my bundles before I start placing them on my wreath ring. So I'm going to take pink, roll it to a cute little curl, and I'm going to crisscross just like that, and then take my white and crisscross again just to make sure all colors are visible and nothing is hidden away. Scrunch it in the center, take my stem, twist it around the middle, and twist, twist, twist a couple of times, and then you can kind of flare out and adjust your bundle. It looks so cute and precious. I like to alternate the color order when I'm making my bundle just so each color is visible. So I'm going to do that now. Again, you can roll it at a diagonal. I do both ways. It just depends on the wreath that I'm making. You can also make this wreath with 10-inch mesh, and even if you wanted to, 21-inch mesh. Okay, so this is another bundle. Again, I feel like alternating the color order just makes it more cute and fun. So these are the 3 different bundles I will be making. I'm going to go ahead and make all of my bundles before we start placing it on our wreath. Alright, so I have all of my bundles. Now we're going to start placing them. I'm using a 14-inch wreath ring. So with the 18-inch wreath ring, I usually just use one center ring. Since this one has 2 center rings, you have a couple of options. You can use half of a stem and then twist it around the inner 2 rings all the way around. Or since I'm using a third of a stem and it is a bit shorter, I like to alternate back and forth because once all the mesh is in place, you can't tell the difference. So just depending on how much stem you prefer to use. So I'm going to go ahead and start getting my bundles placed. The number of bundles you want in each section, again, that is completely up to you. The more bundles, the thicker and poofier it's going to be. But you can definitely start with a few bundles and see how it looks and add more as you go along. So don't feel like you're stuck with one specific way. I'm going to start probably with 4 bundles in each section, see how it looks, and then I can add more from there. So I'm going to take my bundle, place it on the outer inner ring, and twist it a couple of times, and then just tuck it away. Okay, place the next one on the inner ring. Twist it and tuck it away. And when I'm placing my bundles, I try not to place the same color right beside each other. Again, it just makes the overall wreath look more colorful and fun and whimsical. Alright, I'm going to continue going all the way around my wreath. Alright, so I have 4 bundles in this section. It looks so cute and poofy already. You can definitely add more bundles, but I want to get all of the bundles placed and then I can decide if I want to add more or not. Oh, and you can also like spray paint this wreath ring white if you choose to do so. Whatever you prefer. Alright, I'm just going to continue adding bundles and show you what it's looking like. This is what the back is looking like. You can see I'm alternating between the 2 inner rings. And this is what the wreath is looking like so far. Alright, let's keep going. just fluffing up and kind of adjusting and fixing up my mesh. This is with 3 pieces of mesh in each bundle and 4 bundles in each of my 6 sections. I have used more bundles, fewer bundles. I will link videos in the description box down below showing how the different wreaths look. But it just depends on what you prefer. If you want a thicker, poofier wreath, or if you want to add a sign to the center, it's completely up to you. You can definitely add a sign, ribbon, bows, more mesh, styrofoam hearts, or anything. So you can definitely switch out the sign for each holiday and occasion. Whatever you prefer, just have fun with it and make it your own. Or you can leave it just like this. It's so cute, precious, and simple to make. Modify the color, the style, add in any additional embellishments you prefer. I'm going to add this adorable little dinosaur with a heart in the center. Alright, so I have my sign. I'm just going to cut off the top little hanger. Flip my sign over. Take 2 stems, twist them together to form 1 long stem for the top and 1 for the bottom. And then I'm just going to hot glue it in place. And whenever there is a space like this in your sign, I want to take the stems a little lower so that the stem isn't showing across the back of my sign. Okay, and we're going to add it to the center of our wreath. Okay, just like to push everything outward a little bit. Then I'm going to snugly place my sign in the center. I'm going to push the mesh aside and attach my stem to the actual wreath ring and twist it a couple of times just to make sure it's nice and secure. And then replace my mesh. I'm going to repeat this step for all 4 stems. And I'm just adjusting, making sure I don't have any gaps or spaces. It looks so cute and precious. You can definitely add any additional embellishments. You can add ribbon, bows, styrofoam hearts, or whatever you prefer. The possibilities are endless. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the color, the style, add in any additional embellishments you prefer.